Hi everyone, so let's talk about the singleton pattern today. So the singleton pattern ensures that a class has only one instance and provides a global point of access to that instance. So this is useful in scenarios where only one object is needed to coordinate the actions across a system. So for example, we can have an ORM which maintains a database connection. So ORM is basically an object relational mapper. It's like a way of communicating with your database. So in this tutorial, we will explore how we can create an ORM class that implements the singleton pattern. So this is the class, or this is the ORM class. So as you can see, there's a DB class inside it, so that's being hidden from the client. So now this class takes a connection and a port number. So over here we have a DB instance. So whenever the client tries to create a instance of this ORM class, so initially we will check if there is an instance of that class already. This DB instance has already have a DB class, or is it none or not. So if it's not none, we will want create the DB instance for the first time only, and otherwise we will do nothing. So then we will be able to simply execute the queries and all, and we can check as well that these instances are same. So if I type the singleton dot py, so you can see that the instances are same because we are just simply returning the same instance, and we have it as a static variable rather than rather than an object variable itself. So that's why we are able to maintain a consistent uh, consistency throughout this class object creations. So object 1 and object 2 have the access to that same class variable, the static variable. So there could be scenarios where we don't want two objects, or two, let's say, two 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 clients or two programs or something like that, to we don't want them to access this instance at the same time. So in that scenarios, we can implement the singleton pattern using thread safety with logs. So over here in this pattern, so we just have introduced threads so that we can have a consistency between the access of that shared resource, like the DB instance. So we just have one lock over here that makes sure that only one thread can access this instance at a time. So over here we are running our queries through 5 threads. So now each thread will only be able to access it sequentially. So let's run it. So as you can see, the code has been successfully executed, and then we were able to maintain a single connection to that DB class with thread safety as well. So thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.